Welcome to Stories Alley. Title: The Songbird's Silent Day. In a lush, vibrant forest, every creature had its role. Bella, a radiant songbird with feathers of many colors, was the forest's alarm clock. Every dawn, her melodious tunes would greet the rising sun, filling the woods with joy. But one peculiar morning, Bella found she couldn't sing. She tried and tried, but not a single note came out. The forest was eerily quiet. The animals, used to her morning serenades, were puzzled. Instead of wallowing in sadness, Bella decided to listen. For the first time, she heard the subtle sounds around her. The rustling of leaves, the gentle flow of the stream, the distant echo of a woodpecker. The forest was alive with its own symphony. Inspired, Bella began to dance. Her movements were graceful and told a story of their own. The animals, seeing her dance, realized that there's more than one way to express oneself. By sunset, the entire forest was dancing, creating a spectacle of unity and joy. The next day, Bella's voice returned, but she had learned the value of listening and expressing in new ways. And the forest? It danced more often, celebrating the myriad ways one can share their spirit.